Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by gathering the files you suspect contain duplicates. Open each Google Doc in a single drive folder so searches and comparisons stay organized. Once open, make a copy of any document you'll modify. This protects the original. Also confirm you have edit access, or at least view access, and enable version history so you can undo changes. These steps save time and prevent data loss, with files ready. Move on to locating repeated content inside and across documents. Next, target the actual duplicate content. Inside a document, use Ctrl+F or CMD+F to locate repeated headings, paragraphs, or phrases. For cross-file checks, export files to plain text or use Drive Search with exact match quotes to list candidates. Once you have likely duplicates, paste snippets into a spreadsheet side-by-side or use a text compare tool to see differences line by line. This comparison shows whether content is identical, slightly altered, or just similar. Finally, decide how to resolve each duplicate. If content is identical, keep the best formatted copy and delete or archive the rest. If it's partially different, merge carefully and add an edit summary. Make sure to update internal links and references so nothing breaks. Before finalizing, use Google Docs version history to review changes and confirm the merge didn't drop information. If something goes wrong, immediately restore the prior version. Version history is your safety net and prevents permanent loss.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.